Hey y'all, Miss Star back here on MissStarTv, and this time I'm going to transform myself into Lydia from the first Beetlejuice movie. If you'd like to see how I achieve that, then please keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to fill in and shape my brows with LA Colors Brow Pencil in black, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use LA Colors Concealer as my eyeshadow base, and then put some white face powder on top of that, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in black on the top and bottom lash lines and the bottom waterline, then use a smudge brush to smudge the top and bottom, and then create a wing at the end, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use a small packing brush and black eyeshadow and press it on top of where I put the eyeliner on my eyelid. Then I'm going to use a clean, small blending brush, holding it at the end, pressing and pushing upward all around, and then doing the windshield wiping motion to blend it upward slightly, like this. Okay, just like I did with the black, I'm going to use a small packing brush and a light gray, pressing that on top of where the black ends. Then I'm going to blend that in with a clean blending small brush, swirling it around at first and then windshield wiping motions leading up toward my brows, like this. Okay, now I'm going to take a big blending brush in the whitest eyeshadow I have, putting it at the edge of the gray color, blending it all the way up to my brows, like this. Okay, now I'm going to put LA Colors Neon Gel Eyeliner and Flashlight in my inner corners to brighten my eyes. And then I'm going to put on LA Colors Perfect Lash Lengthening Mascara on my top and bottom lashes, like this. Okay, now I'm going to apply my foundation as I normally would, but I'm going to add a little bit of white face paint to make it look as if I need more sun, like this. Okay, now I'm going to set all this with a nice white face powder and fluffy brush, like this. Okay, now I'm going to do my contouring and highlighting as I normally would, but I'm going to use this LA Colors eyeshadow palette in Moonflower, like this. Okay, now I'm going to put on LA Colors Duo Lipstick in Clarity, then put on my necklace and my wig, like this. Hey, thanks so much for watching. This was strange and unusual. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below and we'll get to those as soon as we can. Remember to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. Also, don't forget, you can become a big part of our StarTv family by supporting us on Patreon. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye!